Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about a topic named network topology. What is network topology? It refers to the arrangement of different elements like nodes, links, or devices in a computer network. Common types of network topology includes bus, star, ring, mesh, and tree topologies. Network topology is the way where the devices are connected in a network. It defines how these components are connected and how the data being transferred within the network. Let's discuss about the types of network topology. So below are the types of network topology. First one is point-to-point topology, mesh topology, star topology, bus topology, ring, tree, and hybrid topology. Let's discuss in brief about one-to-one. First one is point-to-point topology. It is a type of topology that works on the functionality of sender and receiver. Mesh topology, where every device is connected to the device via a particular channel. Every device is connected to another via dedicated channels. These channels are also known as links. Star topology. In the star topology, all the devices are connected to a single hub through a cable. This hub is the central node and all the other nodes are connected to the central node. Bus topology. The bus topology is a network type in which every computer and network device is connected to a single cable. It can also be, we can call it bidirectional. The next one is ring topology. It forms a ring connecting devices with the exactly two neighboring devices. Next one is tree topology. It is the variation of star topology. This topology has a hierarchical flow of data. The last one is hybrid topology. The hybrid topology is the combination of all the various types of topology we have studied above. If you like the content of the video, do like and subscribe our channel and keep watching our videos. Thank you.